Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake easily in home. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees F and gather ingredients. 2 packages cream cheese, 3/4 cup sugar, 2 eggs, 1 TSB vanilla, and a 9-inch graham crust. Soften cream cheese to room temperature for a smooth batter. Beat until creamy, add eggs one at a time, fold in vanilla, pour into crust, and bake gently until set but slightly jiggly. Start with a simple graham crust and press it firmly into a 9-inch springform pan. Mix 2 packages softened cream cheese with 3/4 cup sugar until smooth, then add 2 eggs one at a time and 1 TSB vanilla. Avoid overmixing to keep air out of the batter. If you want a denser texture, fold gently and stop when the batter looks homogeneous and glossy, then pour into the crust. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: if your car smells like errands after baking, grab Little Tree's black ice to keep drives fresh and fun. It pairs surprisingly well with cheesecake pickups. Check the description for the link and other deals to snag one. It makes a great gift for fellow bakers. Thanks for supporting the channel, and now let's get back to the video. Place the filled pan in a water bath to moderate oven heat and reduce cracks while baking. Wrap the pan bottom in foil to prevent leaks and set the roasting pan water to reach halfway up the sides. Bake at 325 degrees F until edges are set and center is slightly jiggly. Then turn off heat and let the cake cool in the oven with the door ajar so it finishes gently and settles without cracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.